Sometimes moves can't wait. A lease may end unexpectedly, a closing date can suddenly change, or an urgent situation may require immediate relocation. Emergency moving services help homeowners and renters move quickly without sacrificing safety or organization. In this video, we explain how last-minute movers in Newton coordinate fast relocations and what you can expect when time is limited. Emergency relocations require fast coordination. Professional movers evaluate the size of the move, available access to the property, and the distance between locations. Same-day or next-day moves are carefully scheduled to ensure trucks, equipment, and crew members are ready immediately. Experienced last-minute movers know how to organize urgent relocations efficiently while keeping your belongings safe. Professional emergency movers in Newton offer more than just transportation. Services often include packing and unpacking, furniture disassembly and reassembly, careful loading and unloading, and secure transportation of your belongings. Even during urgent relocations, trained crews use protective materials and proper handling techniques to minimize the risk of damage. Newton is known for its residential neighborhoods, historic homes, and busy local roads. Local movers understand parking restrictions, building access requirements, and how to navigate neighborhoods like Newton Center, Newtonville, West Newton, and Chestnut Hill. This experience helps keep urgent moves efficient and on schedule. When time is limited, choosing licensed and insured movers is essential. Better Life Moving provides reliable emergency moving services in Newton with experienced crews, clean equipment, and transparent pricing. Our goal is to organize urgent relocations quickly while protecting your belongings and reducing the stress of a last-minute move.